We doodled and traced for over 24 combined hours with 6 finalists to determine that the Mint 3D Professional Printing 3D Pen is the best 3D pen. We love it for its responsive, limited blockage filament flow, clear temperature readout, and comfortable construction. So how do 3D pens work? 3D pens heat a filament, which is typically plastic, until it's liquid and easy to draw with. Once you've drawn, the plastic hardens again, allowing you to essentially draw in the air. Here's a list of the top 3 3D pens. Number 1, Mint 3D Professional Printing 3D Pen. Number 2, 3Doodler Create 3D Pen. And our third choice, Sunveza 3D Printing Pen. So how did we test? To start, we traced simple shapes on a piece of paper to measure the accuracy and usability of each pen. We also timed how quickly the ink set with each pen. Next, we tried our hand at free drawing with the pens. We scored each pen for ease, accuracy, and enjoyment while we drew quickly. We tested the tracing and welding capabilities of each pen by using a 3D stencil to draw sunglasses. And finally, we looked at the overall user experience of the pens, analyzing their user manuals, tendency to block up, build quality, and overall safety. Before going over our top picks, you can check out links in the description below for more detail on each 3D pen. There's also a link there to the full review on our blog post. The Mint 3D took first place in our tests because of its quick responsiveness, compact size, solid construction, and sturdy handling. It also has a clear OLED temperature readout, which you can adjust to the degree. This means that you can use different types of filaments in the Mint 3D because different filaments have different melting points. Finally, this pen's clear user instructions, simple operation, and low filament blockage mean you won't get frustrated using it. We only found a couple minor downsides with this pen. For one, the AC adapter cable that comes with this pen is short and may require an extension cord to use. And secondly, the filament that comes boxed with the pen, ABS, is more toxic than other type of filaments. This is an easy fix though, since you can buy a different type of filament to use in the pen. We loved the 3Doodler for its anodized aluminum body, which felt more durable to us than its plastic competitors. Its instructions are also the most user-friendly, which means your 3D doodles will be off to a well-informed start. People tend to underestimate the power of a great instruction manual. The only downside? The 3Doodler filament, though high quality, is the only brand filament you can use in this pen. This is problematic for some users, who report the cost of the branded filament to be as much as double the generic filament brands. That being said, the 3Doodler filament is also higher quality in pigmentation and concentration than the other brands, so it may be worth the extra cost to get the most out of your artistic endeavors. The other pens we tested, like the Sunveza and 7TEC, are all relatively similar and ubiquitous in design, which is why they didn't make our top 2. We found that these styles of pens are sold under multiple brand names on Amazon. And if you're searching for a pen to use as a once-in-a-while hobby, any of these might serve you well. All of them have quirks, but some have standout positive features as well, like the 7TEC, which was one of the fastest pens we tested. But if you're considering adding a 3D pen to your creative arsenal for more frequent use, we highly recommend the Mint 3D. It's responsive and easy to use with a clear temperature readout and great user instructions. Like the video? Have any questions? Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Current subscribers have the chance to win a product giveaway. Check out the description for product links, and we'll see you next time on Your Best Digs.